Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting and decor and makeovers. Today I'm showing you a Halloween autumn decor video. I have previously shown an autumn home tour and an autumn craft update, but this is kind of the final one, which includes things we've done for Halloween as well. And as always, decor changes over the period of time when you have it out, 'cause you keep changing your mind or getting new things or moving stuff around. So there's a little update, and then I'll show you what we've done for Halloween also. It's quite subtle because we don't like too much spooky, scary stuff, but we've definitely made some little vignettes around the house, which I think are quite sweet. I thought I would start with the crafting side of things, obviously, as I am Amanda Crafted. So the things I've done for Halloween are these really cute little stones that I got out of the garden, and I painted them with some paint pens that I've got. And I thought they were really cute, sort of cute Halloweeny things. Then I have this trick or treat rolling pin, and I also have done some spoons and a rolling pin with Boo on. I have actually done a previous video showing this, so if you want to have a look, I'll put a link in to that video. Here's one of my cross stitches. I've done a couple of cross stitches. I just love these seasonal themed ones with the cute little pictures to sum up the season. So I've got this one, and then I've got one that's sort of fireworky as well. And then I've done this pumpkin made out of buttons and sequins, which I'm quite pleased with. And then here's my first little Halloween vision, and I've done a little printable that I coloured in, and then I got the template for the bats and cut them out and stuck them all over the place, which I think is quite sweet. Today we've been doing a little bit of pumpkin carving, so getting into the Halloween season. So we've carved my pumpkin out, and there's a few shots here of when it got dark tonight, put it out in the garden and took some pictures around the garden. I will show you some of the house stuff at the end, and then also some Halloween things that we've done. So we've mainly done the haul for Halloween, with the trick or treat picture and the Halloween pumpkins that we've got with Boo on, and I think the bats are quite a good touch. And then the other Halloween vignette that we've done is the witch's hat, also in the haul. So really we've kind of made the haul Halloweeny. So we've got a few little things, got some things from Asda and Poundland, and then some of the things like I got a little picture frame with the pumpkins in. That's actually a napkin that we got from Poundland. So, you know, it's all come together, and we're really excited for this time of year. So hope you have a lovely Halloween, and just carry on watching here, and I'll show you sort of how the rest of the house looks. So happy Halloween, everybody, and see you soon.